You have 5 $1 bills, 1 $5 bill, 6 $10 bills, and 4 $20 bills in your wallet. You select a bill at random without replacing the bill. You choose a second bill. So what is the probability of getting a $10 bill and then a $5 bill? So I see we've got 5, 1, 6, and 4 bills. So we've got 6 and 4. So if I add these up, 5 plus 1 is 6, plus 6 is 12, plus 4 is 16. So the first time I draw a bill out of the wallet, there are 16 bills in there to choose from, 6 of which are $10 bills. So I've got a 6 out of 16 chance of getting a $10 bill. The second time I bring it out, because I did not replace it, it says without replacing the bill, I don't have 16 bills anymore. I only have 15. And then I'm trying to get a $5 bill. There is only one $5 bill here. So I've got a 1 out of 15 chance of choosing that. So now all I'm going to do is simplify by multiplying. So 6 times 1 is 6. And 16 times 15 is 240. I see both of these are divisible by 6. And I do get 1 out of 40. So I've got a 1 out of 40 chance of getting a $10 bill and then not replacing it and getting a $5 bill.